Alright, man, today we are reacting to Trey Rangle's outing at the high school All-American game. Now, I've seen a couple of his clips on TikTok. They've been popping up on my For You page. I know he throw hard as hell, and yeah, we're just gonna see how he does. It's my first time actually watching him in game, so go ahead and get into it. Bro, first thing about him, bro, his motion is so smooth, bro. Like, everybody wishes they had a motion like this. Like, it look like he been doing this type of motion since he was 3 years old, bro. I fuck with it, though. That shit smooth as hell. That shit smooth. Majestic. I'm sorry, I'm glazing. Pitch. Fucking pitch. It's a good ass pitch. It's a good pitch, bro. One thing about him, I see he knows how to pitch. Like, he's dotting up. He's not missing too high. He's not leaving anything up. It's hard for a hitter to elevate something that low in the zone, bro. He's competing. I fuck with it. Quick 2 outs. He's in the zone, bro. That's all you gotta do. Be in the zone, bro. He trying to get a K. Ooh. That's a great way to end an outing. It's a great way. Bro, everybody wants to end an outing with the K. Everybody. Damn, that shit was nasty, bro. That shit was nasty. He went back to it. Bro. His motion is so smooth, bro. I fuck with it, though. He's gonna be good for sure.